improved, or things that worked well and things that didn't work well?
Things that worked well, I like the whole app, but I must admit it took me a little while to get used to. What I found difficult was every time somebody liked one of my posts, it regenerated a new report, if you know what I mean. What I could never see is a page like on Amazon where you've got an item. The item would be my report. There's a pothole on this street outside that house. I could then never see an index of other people who'd commented on it, people who'd agreed. I could never get all the information in one place. See, if this was Amazon, it would have the photograph, it would have the title, it would have my comments, it would have a list of people that had agreed with it. It might also have comments from the contractor, Amy, saying, yes, we're going to send someone around and look into this. And then that could follow on with a progress report where Amy had come back and said maybe, yes, we've looked at this, there is a problem, it is a safety issue, we're going to get it done as soon as possible. When we have done it, we will notify you on this page and close the case, for example. So the whole case would be in one place. That was the main issue I had with the system. What I really liked was the ease of using it, in that you had your GPS switched on, you took the photo, and it registered your location. So 90% of the work was done for you there and then. The only issue with that was that I got a few phone calls from the council and letters from Amy that said, where exactly is this? We can't tell. Now, because it took them a couple of weeks to get back to me and ask where exactly it was, I might have forgotten, so I put in a lot of reports. So if that's the case, then maybe a comment needs to be added at source, when you take that photograph. But you need to make this as easy as possible for people to use, so I'd suggest the GPS location and its accuracy are paramount to people's confidence in this, and not then getting a phone call from the contractor. Also, another thing I didn't like, right, I'm starting to remember now, was recommendations. There were a lot of people and posts that were recommended, and I looked at these throughout a couple of months I used the app and they never changed. So some of them are really kind of irrelevant, whereas someone might go on and put a kind of safety critical fault on, a safety critical issue. That should be the kind of thing that drums up interest. Lots of people lots of people add a thumbs up to, and that should move up the list and become number one, because lots of people are showing an interest. It didn't seem to happen. So I think that was a kind of subsection of the app that was maybe underused, or not quite used correctly.